A storm is raging on the riverbank, and the trees need all their strength to stand up to it. They're lucky. They have long roots that go deep into the ground to stop them falling over. But not everything's as strong as the trees. Oh, GP, where are you? GP, GP.
What's the matter, Hammy?
Oh, it's the circus tent. It's been blown down in the storm.
Well, getting yourself all excited isn't going to help.
GP explains that it's much better to go calmly over to the circus to see if they can help.
Come on, up in.
We're not going in this, are we?
Why? What's wrong with it?
Well, it's falling to bits.
You see, there you go again. You worry too much.
Well, drive slowly anyway.
Relax, Sammy. I know what I'm doing.
Phew, thank goodness that's over.
Dear me, this is a mess, isn't it? Still, never mind. I'll soon have it up again. Stand back, Hammy.
GP, I don't think this is going to work.
Don't be silly, Hammy. Of course it'll work. Here, what's that smell?
It's the engine, GP. It's going to blow up.
No, it's not. I keep telling you, calm down. You let yourself get too excited. Anyway, I've got another idea.
GP's other idea is his balloon, and he needs to be very brave to go up in such a strong wind.
Oh, my goodness, it is a bit blowy. It's lucky I'm a great pilot. Now then, where's that tent? Ah, there it is. Right. Let's see. I'll use the anchor for this job.
Are you sure this'll work, GP?
Of course it'll work. Just you watch.
And it does work, too. Slowly but surely, GP pulls the tent poles up until at last the big circus top is back where it was before the storm. It worked, GP. It really worked.
Well, I told you it would. There's no need to be so excited. Aren't you excited? No. Why should I be? I never get excited.
Not even when the circus owner gives us free tickets as a reward?
Free tickets?
Yeah.
What, for the show?
Yeah. And it's just about to start.
Ho. So, what are we waiting for? Yippee! Well, now, I don't know about you, Hammy, but if GP hadn't told me otherwise, I'd have said that's a very excited guinea pig.